When you begin, it's always hard to start. It's common that you have high expectations. At first you lose when learning trading art. But don't give up, just try to have some patience. Of course you think that game will be so easy. Such business is as cruel as the rest. Don't let your wins just make your head be dizzy. If stay and trade, result will be the best. I know that every single day you can begin the competition. Get profit with your every trade. Just know that Forex is your mission. Forex is my life. Forex is my life. Some time will pass and you will see the trading is not so hard for those who they're long. There's always one whose help is there waiting. And finally, you'll keep your profit strong. I know that every single day you can begin the competition. Get profit with your every trade. Just know that Forex is your mission. Forex is my life. Forex is my life. Forex is my life.
Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Well, I'm back again, right? So I'm back here with you for the US market pre-hour reading. Well, so how's the past 4 hours? Is it good? Alright, I believe so because good grab from Euro Pound and also some good grab from is it Euro Pound and well, and pound dollar, yeah, yes, maybe, yeah, I think so. Okay, Aussie franc, yeah, good grab. Aussie yen, also good grab. All right, congratulations for those who actually grab it. All right. Okay, so now let me see, and Aussie dollar, yeah, personally I grabbed some. Okay, so yep, and Euro Pound and dollar yen, yes, okay, yes, good. Well, thank you so much for those who have done well. Okay, yes, good. You have grabbed some profit, and now you know by doing up a trade setup, you can get your profit. Okay, and that is how you can do it. Okay, so if I can do it, I believe you can do it as well. All right. So remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel so that we can have a live trading online together. Okay. All right. So let's move on now. Is talking about the US market. All right. So now a bit different. Okay. So there are people who ask me. Okay. Why there's a 2 session. Okay. There are 2 sessions in the day that you will go live. First, the Euro hour. Okay, you will actually pick up all the currency pairs, but in the US hour you are actually talking about what are the ball game, what are the ball plans that I'm going for my US market. Okay, yeah, it's going to be a bit different. Okay, yes, but more or less it's the same. All right, so first thing first, over here I would like to have a disclaimer over here. Okay, I don't belong to any financial institutions. All right, so at the same time, this is not a financial planning program as well. So when you are trading forex trading, okay, any forex trading, you're involved in some risk. Okay, so please trade within your means and also do up your money management as well as your risk management to keep your risk low. All right, okay, so yeah, that's right, guys. Thank you, Hubert. Okay, Hubert. All right, Hubert, where are you from? You are from. All right. Okay. So let me go on. Okay. Oh, you're from Germany. I see. All right. Nice to see you here. Okay. Thank you so much. So you're preparing for lunch, right? Okay. Yeah. Let's move on. Okay. We shall go into our ball game plan for US market. All right. Okay. US market. Okay. So yes, this is my system for my trading. Yep, this is my system in ACS. Okay, ACS Learning Hub. Okay, it's a ACS system over here. Okay, so it's a system where it helps to identify. Okay, so the trend and where's my trigger point. Where should I enter a trade? So it's much easier for us. Okay, to trade. You see. All right, so next, okay, Aussie Cat. Okay, let's take a look at Aussie Cat. Aussie Cat over here. Like I said, today we are still in the bear trend. However, we are very near to the bull transition zone. We still have about 53 pips to go. Okay, so how are we going to trade? Okay, how are we going to trade this? All right. Yes, tentatively in these 4 hours, the you know, in forex trading, every 4 hours is actually a session, correct? So for the Euro hour, the 4 hours has passed. Now we are entering into the next 4 hours. All right. So entering into the next 4 hours, we are now looking for. I am a person who's doing short selling. Okay, short selling. So like I said earlier on, 4 hours ago, Aussie Cat, I'm looking at this support that it breaks. Once it breaks this support over here, okay, and I'm looking for a short. Yes, yeah, I got it. Yes, Aussie Cat. Yes. So yeah, over here, same thing, but right now over at this timing, we are on the support. We are already on the support. We are already on the support, and it means that it has a chance to retrace upwards. So if you are going to continue to short, unless it breaks the support and form a new resistance below, then you are able to trade a short selling to break this support. Okay, so tentatively in the US market, we are waiting for, as well as the Canadian dollar market to open, so that it will has much more volume to trade Aussie Cat, because Aussie has already closed. So the volume drops, the spread increase. So now it's not the right time. Okay, so if you're talking about this, all right, then Aussie franc, is it a good time to trade? Yeah, but same thing, Aussie has already closed, but we are leaving alone with franc. So Swiss franc is still available. However, looking at the chart here, it shows that it has breaks my bull zone and is continue the short selling. As it is continuing the short selling, all right, we are here looking at the interchange. The interchange is now turning up for a buy. Okay, turning up for a buy during these 4 hours, because it's turning for it has hitting on the support. Okay, it has hits on the support area. It's hitting on the support area, and likely, like I say, it will go up again. Okay, waiting for a new resistance to come, so that it will short further down. Alternatively, you can wait for it to break the support below and form a new resistance, which may take a few hours of time. Then it will continue to short. Okay, so at this point of time, like looking at this, okay, what we are going to take a look, what we are looking at is that, you know, is more or less into the situation of the same as a Aussie cat, because this for the past 4 hours it has short. Since the past 4 hours it has short and hits on the support, we have to be careful. All right, we have to be careful. So we cannot assume that it will continue to short and break the support because it's so strong selling. There's a strong selling down there, but that is not the case, you see. All right, okay, so we still need, even it come down to the short, I will still wait for the next 2 hours to see if there's a new resistance. Then I will start trading in M5. Okay, all right, so Aussie yen. All right, let's take a look at Aussie yen. Yes, Aussie yen tentatively is moving downwards from the bear market, from the bear zone. All right, I have a bear zone and a bull zone here, which indicates over here it hits on the resistance and is going to short. Okay, it's going to short. It's just showing me the trend. It's showing me the trend. All right, so when showing me the trend over here, okay, so this part here, right now for the past 4 hours, the same thing, it hits on the support as well. Okay, good move, a good cut over here. Like I say, I want it to break this support area. After breaking this support area, and then I will start trading like here. Okay, good grab. Okay, this one I grabbed about 10. Okay, so over here and this part here, same thing, it hits on the support, so likely it's going to retrace back for a resistance. So let's look out for the nearest resistance that we can see over here, around here, this area. Okay, so it may, alternatively, same thing, it will go down from a new resistance, then we start trading again in M5. All right, okay, so this is important, bear that in mind. Okay, if you have following me for my YouTube for a while, you know my trading pattern. I will not chase a breakout. Okay, I will not chase a breakout because it's going to be very dangerous. All right, and that will actually cause a FOMO in my trading. Alright, so next thing is about Aussie Kiwi. Let's talk about Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi, we are on the bull. Alright, this bull over here, okay, it has hits on the bull area here and is moving upwards. So now if I'm trading for buying, yes, okay, let's wait for this to break the resistance. You can see it hits on the resistance, it has some rejections now from the market. So I would prefer to wait for the breakup, then a new support coming again, then I start to buy. All right, for buyers, for people who are buying, okay, please bear that in mind. Now the resistance is here. Can you see this candle now? We have a long wick above, okay, the upper shadow here. This is actually a rejection from the market. So over here, I will prefer to wait until it breaks the resistance and come back for a support, then I will start to trade for buy. Okay, yeah, that's for Aussie Kiwi. But again, in US market, is it good to trade for Aussie Kiwi? Well, market both are closed. So do you think you have the liquidity and the spread is good? Well, pay attention to these 2 pointers. Okay, all right, so Aussie dollar, oh my, Aussie dollar, yes, like I say, same thing, it breaks the support over here. Yep, I grabbed some from here. Yes, over this part here, now the support has been broke. So now I'm looking for the next one, which is about another 10 pips to go. Quite tight. Okay, the situation here is very tight for 10 pips. Yeah, so probably I will, if I really want to scalp a 5 pips, probably, yeah, it's still quite potential. And at the same time, I will wait for it to break this support level. Then I will wait for a new resistance in M5 before I start trading. Okay, bear that in mind. Alright, so Euro Aussie. Okay, Euro Aussie. Yeah, Euro Aussie is still on the bull run. Yeah, still on the bull. Yes, can you see? Yes, it's still on the bull, breaking up. Okay, it's breaking up. So after it breaks up over here, let's take a look in H1, in M5. Can you see after it breaks up? Okay, after the breakup, When it come back with a new support, yes, and I can go another 32 pips. You see? Do you get what I mean now? Okay, so this is what I meant by wait for a breakout and form a new support in M5 and you start to buy. Okay, so you get about 20 over pips from now. Okay, from the support, sorry. So same thing for resistance. Okay, same thing for resistance. After it break it down below the support area in M5 with a new resistance, then we start trading for a trigger point. Okay, understand? Alright, so now let's look at the Euro Pound. Let's look at Euro Pound. Euro Pound, we are still in the bear market, but today we have some retracement waiting for this to turn red so that the seller will take over the buyer. In this case, then we will be able to determine the trend. So right now it's still not very easy, not here nor there. So I will just leave it alone. Okay, right. Okay, Euro Yen. Now Euro Yen, obvious, we are still on the bull run, Okay, so probably another buy. So the buy, we have a resistance over here, right? The resistance. So same thing, just wait for a breakout and the new support from M5, then we will continue to buy. Okay, for buyers. All right. Okay, so Euro Kiwi. Let's look at Euro Kiwi. I hope my video really helps you and you like my video. If you think so, hit on the subscribe button now. Alright, now. Okay, just like I'm doing the analysis for you right now, I'm doing a ball game planning right now as well. Okay, so let's give it a shot, man. Okay, so Euro Kiwi in general is still in the bull run. Okay, we are into the bear zone, whereby the bear zone here is actually hitting on the resistance, and this resistance is still strong. I don't know. Okay, I'm not sure whether it is strong, but I can see that it slowed down. Okay, but it has tried again. Okay, after a few try for the past few hours. So I would say that I will just leave it alone. If you really want to trade this for a buy or a selling, I would say no. Whenever the price fall into this zone, okay, I will most likely avoid trading within this zone. Okay, because the direction can go nowhere. Okay, all right, it can go nowhere or anywhere. So I will prefer not to touch it. Okay, you get it, man? All right. So now let's move on again, right, into Euro Dollar. Right, Euro Dollar. All right, Euro Dollar. Let's see. Okay, Euro Dollar. I'm reading Euro Dollar with breakup now. Okay, so I'm waiting for it to come down. Okay, come down. Okay, with it's a bull run right now. So I would say, yeah, I'm waiting for the support over here. Then I will start buying. Okay, so that's for Euro Dollar. Yes. Can I buy now? Yeah, this is a good chance, but check out the other time frame, making sure that the buying is valid. Okay, before you start trading on the buying. Okay, so Euro Dollar is still on the bull run. Now it's having a retracement. So just wait for a new support. Okay, the support comes, then with a collaboration with M5 and the trigger point, then yes, you can buy. Okay, well, I'm a seller. Okay, so I will only sell. Okay, so whenever I see a buy, I'll just give myself a break from the trading. Well, that's my rules and that's my trading pattern, so I set it, so I have to follow it. Alright, Pound Aussie, yeah, it's still on the bull run. Same thing, the bull run, we are looking out for the resistance level where it's not very clear yet right now. So just leave it alone. Okay, but it's still on the buy side. Okay, alright. Pound CAD over here. Pound CAD, we are in the bear market. Okay, we are in the bear. So the bear today is actually facing a retracement. It's facing a retracement. So in this retracement, I'm looking out for a resistance. Yes, we hit on the resistance right now. Yes, exactly. We hit on the resistance right now. Perfect. So this is the resistance I'm looking at. Can you see the resistance level? Yeah. Okay, so in this resistance, it's hitting on the resistance. So now I'm waiting for it to retrace back. okay, to this zone, okay, this zone, so that I will start trading to making sure that it is really a reversement, okay, so that I will go back to my prevailing trend of a bear market. When I enter into the bear market over here, then I will start trading. It will give me a lot more safer, you know, you get what I mean. All right, so this is what I mean by if you are trading short selling in a bear market, so you are looking for a resistance to short it back. So this is the resistance here. Over here it hits, it doesn't go above and it doesn't break it. Now coming back to the prevailing trend, so get ready, man. Okay, Euro CAD, pound CAD. Okay, well, looks good, but we are, because it hits on the resistance in the bear market. Now pound franc, looking at pound franc, we are in the bear market, but you know, retracement up here, it hitting on the resistance over here. Can you see a resistance over here? Yep, and a H4 also hits on the resistance now, and testing above. Well, pound franc not yet. Okay, still a bit more, so probably we will wait for a little while, but we still have a good chance to short. Okay, yes, over here in pound yen, let's look at pound yen. We are still on the bull run. Okay, turning down for some support, looking for a support before it continue the bull run. So pound yen, wait for a support before you start trading buy. Okay, so it's only buying, no selling for pound yen. Okay, so pound kiwi, let's move into pound kiwi. Well, obvious, it is on the bull run and it still continue the run. Changing interchange is still on the run. Yes, it's still on the run. Okay, so still on the bull run, then we shall wait. If you are a trader who are buying, yep, please wait for a support. Okay, then after retracement, set up a support, then you look out for your trigger point to enter for a trade. All right, so next thing to go. Okay, and pound dollar. Okay, that's pound dollar. Well, pound dollar, well, let's see, pound dollar. Okay, we are now in let's see, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar is a bull run, a bull running upwards into the, and it bash into the bear zone. The bear zone now tentatively is in the resistance, and it has been resisted now. But like I said, in this zone, it seems like, you know, it's going nowhere. I do not know whether will it break out or come down or forming. Is still in a transition, so I'd rather leave this alone. Okay, for pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. All right, pound dollar, just leave it alone first. Okay, and right now, okay, dollar CAD. Let's take a look at dollar CAD. Dollar CAD. Yep, we are still in the short bear market, but today we have some retracement. It has a breakout. It has a break this support level. So right now, it's still retracing upwards a little bit more. And will it come down after the retracement when the H1 have a new resistance turning downwards? Probably and possible. Okay, so let's wait for dollar CAD after it has turned back into the prevailing trend of the bear, which most likely be tomorrow. Okay, then most likely will be tomorrow. Okay, all right, so dollar franc in the bear market, but we are hitting on the support level. All right, support. Okay, over here, and it's still turning upwards. So dollar going to be strong probably against the franc, but we are looking out for the resistance if you really want to short it. Okay, so let's take a look. Yep, yes, that's right. So likely we will see this resistance. If it don't break, it will turn back. Okay, dollar yen. Now dollar yen, yes, dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen is hitting on the support as well, so right now it's not very nice, okay, to trade for a short. So retracement comes in with the H4 support, and it's going to be a long buying for the next 4 hours, likely without any hesitation, without any obstruction. It will hit on the resistance level, and after that it may start to retrace back. If it don't break, then it will start to retrace back. Very likely. If not, it will just break it up and it will go. Alright. Okay, now, oh yeah, so sorry, Hubert. Hubert, I actually missed your message. You were saying, oh, I see. That's nice. Okay, you have grabbed almost 24. Oh, you spelled it out. 24 T take profits of trading since the beginning of the month. Oh, I see. Thank you so much. Oh, you are great. Okay, and I have from Nigeria. Okay, from Nigeria, your US hour trading strategy is pretty clear and conservative, which is good for me because I am a new beginner. I see, a beginner. I see. Okay, amateur. All right, whoever, whatever. As long as you are here, you drop me a message, okay, and when I go on live, I try to answer all your questions, you know, and I will try to assist as much as possible. Like what I say, okay, what I did just now, okay, they are all about the trading in the US market, but this is a pre-hour, okay. I am doing it, you know, beforehand, so I have a clearer picture of what am I going to trade, how is it going to trade, you know, how is it going to be traded. Like example, dollar CAD, I know it is dollar CAD, it should be a short selling, okay, but however the retracement from the support yesterday, it has pushed up again, okay, so I need to know what is my next move, you know. So either I give you a miss, or I shall wait for a resistance, or should I wait for support, you know, all this. Example, let's say Powcat, probably Powcat, I know that I'm going to trade on Powcat in this US hour, first half of the US hour. So most likely over here, okay, I will be looking at this resistance, and once the resistance is hit on and there is no breakup, okay, and turning back down into the short position, short direction, then I will start to plan where is my entry point. So I will make sure that it will be clear and running with the same trend, then I will start trading, you see. All right, okay. So yeah, in this US hour, I'm giving you a head start of a clear mind and a clear mind of what should you be looking at, what are the things that you should be paying attention to before you even start trading, so that you know what are the things that is going to move towards your plans before you take a trade, right? Okay, guys. All right. So yeah, that's the end of my this US market pre-hour reading. All right. So I will be coming back again tomorrow. Okay. So in a day, okay, for our forex trade setup in the Euro hour for the first half of the Euro hour, and the second half of the Euro hour, I will be doing this. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. I hope you enjoyed my video and I hope it really helps you. If you think it really helps, subscribe to my channel and of course give me a thumbs up. Share it out as well to get more friends in this community to get in together with us. Alright. See you again, guys, and good luck to your trading in US market. See you again. Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub.
There's always one whose help is there waiting. And finally, you'll keep your profits strong. I know that every single day you can begin the competition. Get profit with your every trade. Just know that for